What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about this awesome van behind me, 2021 Toyota Sienna. Now a hybrid vehicle. This one is the limited all-wheel drive version. Super happy to see that Toyota is still making the all-wheel drive van. It's the only all-wheel drive minivan on the market. Now we have a hybrid offering you 36 mpg highway, 35 in the city. This vehicle here is pretty fully loaded. They do now have a platinum model, which is up from this, but this one all-wheel drive, coming in at $50,735, including a tow hitch. Now, when you add the tow hitch, it does remove the rear kick sensor. Kick sensor is a really cool feature. You can see here on the slider doors, the vehicle is locked. It's also got those power folding mirrors. You can put your foot here, pull back quickly. So like if your hands were full of a baby seat or groceries, whatever the case may be, you can open your door hands-free just by having your smart key in your pocket. You also have remote functionality of that as well. And for the rear hatch. This one being a limited, you got these nice alloy wheels. I think they are 18 inch, yeah, 18 inch. Got the flat steering rear seats back here, just like you always have in the Sienna. Super easy to fold. There's that tow hitch back here. Parking sensors all the way around. I really like the style of this new 2021. It kind of reminds me of the Alphard, which is a Toyota model van that they sell in the Japanese market, probably other markets too, but when I was there last year I saw quite a bit of them. New front end design looks real good. Fog lights integrated in there. Hybrid badging. We've got a lot of different ability to change seating positions. Good amount of rear legroom. These are gonna also have your pull-up sunshades for both second and third row. We have 3-zone climate control, so separate controls for the rear passengers. Lots of these USB charging ports. That must be for your garbage bag. Lots of cup holders as well, as you're always going to find in the minivan. I'm a big guy too. I'm about 6'2", plenty of room for me back here. And the seat's not even all the way back. If I went all the way back, it's almost like a limousine. First, we got all your power options. This is the control for those auto folding mirrors, power mirrors, memory seat position, probably memory steering wheel as well, since it's a power steering wheel. Of course, it's push button start. Over here, you got your fuel door release, your auto high beams, adjusting the brightness of the dash lights here. You got automatic headlights. Here's your fog light control. Kind of surprised these aren't rain sensing wipers, but they're not. Outer ring is your rear wiper. This does have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, so we're going to have lane departure warning, lane trace assist, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system, road sign assist, Lots of steering wheel controls for a stereo, as well as different information in your heads-up display. Fuel economy, driving support, audio, energy monitor to see how your hybrid system is working. Got a nice touchscreen display here with integrated navigation. It is going to be compatible with Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Auto dimming rear view mirror with home link functionality for your garage door openers. Of course, we do have a power tilt slide moonroof. That is your slide function, and the tilt function is here. Oops. Now there's the tilt. These buttons are for your power sliding doors. Just kind of duplicate from the key fob. That's the little mirror to keep an eye on the little ones in the back seat. Climate control, we've got heated front seats or cooled front seats. Different drive modes. You've got sport, normal, and eco mode. There's also EV mode. Electronic parking brake also has auto hold. Automatic transmission has 6 speeds. Of course, we have a backup camera. Lots of cup holders. Big center console with more USB ports. This USB port here is going to interface with the car for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Over here we've got your wireless charging pad. Super nice van. If you're in the market for the new Sienna and you're in the Pacific Northwest, I'd love to earn your business. You can reach me through my website, OregonCarSource.com, or come on into Gresham Toyota and ask for Pat. Have a great day.